So I'm staying at an amazing hot springs resort called Termales De Bosque. It's up north of San Jose, about 45 minutes from Arenal. I'm taking a 3-day herbal conference here. It's on medicinal herbs and ethnobotanicals, and it's really amazing resort. Wanted to do a little video of the river and the hot springs. Just coming down to take a dip after all day of workshops and classes. Really nice little river here. And then you got all the hot springs, so you can jump back and forth in between the cold river and the hot springs, which is really nice. And there's in the jungle here. Pretty incredible place. Really love the hot springs. I'd never been to a hot spring before coming to Costa Rica. Been to a few. Up there is massages, and they have a personal pool for people that get massage. And then here, down here is the sauna. Got multiple different pools, varying temperatures. Here's a little sauna house. I don't know if anybody's in there, but you can smell eucalyptus in here. They're it's really awesome, like steaming eucalyptus. And you got the river, jump between the cold and the hot.
Very hot tub.
Yeah, that's the ultra hot one. 48 degrees Celsius. Pretty awesome place. So this is like the next hot one, 44 degrees Celsius, pretty hot. And then it's descending degrees of temperature here, various pools. This one over here is like medium, 43 degrees Celsius. It's warm, it feels good. And then got a little bar over here. This one's like pretty lukewarm. It's not very warm at all. There's showers over there, lockers. And this one's pretty cool too. It's the last pool in the descending scales of temperature. It's 30 degrees Celsius. Well, you got a nice river, little pool there to swim in, to jump between the various pools. So I'm gonna take a dip. I think I'm gonna get in the river first and then jump in the hot springs.